Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to show you how you can root Huawei P9 Lite, which is running latest version, which is B410 for European region. So the first thing is you need to enable developer options by tapping 7 times on build number, then go back in developer options and enable Oam Unlock. As you can see, I have already enabled. Then you need to simply power off your phone. Once phone is powered off, remove USB cable from phone, then hold volume down key and insert the cable. Phone should enter Fastboot mode. As you can see, simply hold volume down and insert the cable. Phone should enter the Fastboot mode. Keep holding until you see the Fastboot mode. Now you can see FRP is unlocked and phone is locked. So now we are going to unlock the bootloader, because without unlocking bootloader we cannot root the phone. Okay, on your PC open the minimal ADB interface, and here we need to check the connectivity is phone is connected properly. Fastboot devices will show you the serial number of your device, and then type fastboot space OEM space unlock space your unlock code, which you can get for free from Huawei website, and if it is not working you can get the code from us at a very low price. Okay, once you have entered the code, press enter. On your phone screen you will see a notification. If you really want to unlock bootloader, select yes by using volume up and press power button. Once you press power button, your phone should reboot, and it will start the factory reset process. Okay, factory reset is successful. Now you simply need to shut down phone and start it again, but by pressing power button. Okay, your device is booting. Okay, phone just booting up. Viewers, I suggest you to skip all these initial configurations. You don't need to set anything. You don't need to set screen lock. You don't need to enter the Google account. You just need to skip everything. Start as new device and skip the data transfer, skip the fingerprint, and once you are in phone you need to install Magisk Manager, which I have already copied on my SD card. You can do the same. Okay, Magisk Manager is we need to install the latest Magisk Manager. Enable enable unknown sources installation, and now it will allow me to install this Magisk Manager application. Okay, accept it, and once we have installed, you just need to power off your phone. Okay, when I open install Magisk Manager, it will offer you to install the latest Magisk, which we should press no, that we don't want to install it. As you can see, it is showing that Magisk is not installed, and the super user options is missing from the menu also. So now we are going to flash the Magisk by using the T Wrp method, for which we have to power off the phone. After powering off your phone, again connect in Fastboot mode. Same method. Disconnect from PC, hold volume down key and insert cable. Now your phone should say phone unlocked and FRP unlocked. Now we are going to flash T Wrp Recovery. Move to PC and type Fastboot space flash space recovery 2. Viewers, remember you must type recovery 2. We are not going to flash it on recovery. So After typing recovery to space and drag the TWRP image to the CMD window and simply press enter. Now it will start flashing the TWRP recovery. Once it says OK finished, then on your phone you need to hold volume up and power key, and phone should remain connected with the PC. Viewers, as you can see, cable should be connected to your phone, and then hold volume up and power key. Keep holding for at least 10 seconds, then the screen will go off. When screen goes black, you need to you can leave the power button, but keep holding volume up button. Viewers, you should keep holding until you see the custom recovery screen, which is Revolution Recovery, which is based on TWRP recovery. So as you can see, the Revolution Recovery appeared. Now you can stop pressing those buttons. Here you need to swipe to allow modifications. Once you are in recovery, you need to tap on backup and backup all important partitions, especially boot, data, system, vendor and product. These are the most important partitions you need to backup, and select storage. I would prefer to backup on micro SD card. Without SD card you cannot root your phone. Please keep this thing in mind. Okay, I have already backupped my partition, so I don't need to backup again. Simply tap on install and install the Magisk zip, which I have already copied on my SD card, and swipe to install. Okay, the Magisk installation has been started. It is going to take 20 to 30 seconds. I think almost finished. Okay, flashing new boot image and done. Now you need to tap reboot, do not install, and now your phone should reboot to normal mode. Viewers, if you have already unlocked Bootloader, you must remove screen lock and fingerprints before proceeding for the root. It is very important. Okay, phone is just booting up now. Now we are going to verify our root access if device has been successfully rooted. Okay, swipe to go to home screen, and now we are going to check if Magisk Manager is showing that Magisk is installed. As you can see, it is showing installed the latest version, which is 16 currently. And then you need to open file manager, and I have already copied the root checker, which I am going to install to verify the root access on my phone. Okay, it has been installed. Now I am going to open it, accept, and verify root button. Okay, you need to grant the root access, and yes, it is saying congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. So this is how you can root your device. Viewers, without SD card you cannot do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.